My name is Derek DuBay. I am a transplant surgeon and hepatobiliary surgeon. I'm from a small farming town in Iowa. I completed medical school at the University of Iowa. I then completed general surgery at the University of Michigan. I did a surgical oncology fellowship and a solid organ transplant fellowship at the University of Toronto. So I am a transplant surgeon and a hepatobiliary surgeon. So I do solid organ transplant, including liver, pancreas, and kidney transplant. I also do liver and bile duct operations, primarily for cancers, although sometimes for other benign diseases as well. When I got into medicine, I actually wanted to be a rural family practice doctor, but on my rotations in medicine, I fell in love with surgery, and when I was doing my surgery rotations, I fell in love with transplant, and especially liver. I love liver transplant, liver surgery, and it just captivates me. I find it to be fascinating and challenging and exciting still to this day. I educate and inspire health in my patients several ways. Probably the most by being an advocate for the patient and encouraging them. Specifically to transplant, it's a long process, and I try to convince patients that they are able and they have the capacity to complete the process. Most people with solid organ failure really have a dismal future short of transplant, and I try to convince them that they are capable and able to get a transplant and be good stewards of the transplant afterwards. I have a lot of interests outside of medicine. Happily married and with 5 children, so most of my activities revolve around my children. I like to participate. A couple of them are in Boy Scouts. I'm in Boy Scouts with them. My wife and I are very active in our church. And then I have 4 boys, 3 teenagers right now, and we love to be outdoors, like to go bird hunting, fishing, water sports. To schedule an appointment with me, please ask your primary care provider to make a referral.